Well, this is so exciting. My first Screencastify video. All right. YouTube used to be easy, but they won't let you do the same type of stuff I'm trying to do for education. So here we go. Today started the first day of at-home instruction. If this is your sample Google Classroom up here, then you would click on classwork to get to whatever day it is. And today is already over, 16th. So I had to scroll down. There's so many. So sad. And you click on the at-home instruction, and some were handed in, but the directions are right here. And usually what you have to do is watch a video and take notes on it, or watch a video to be ready for what we're talking about. So today, students looked at the geography of China. So I wanted to actually go over that a little bit myself. If you look at the geography of China, the main idea is, if you can follow the mouse, the Yellow River in the north might flood and create really fertile soil. There was silt in the soil called Loess, Loess, and the Yellow River was very important. It's near the modern-day capital. The other river is the Yangtze, or Yangtze, as the American way would say it. The Yangtze is right here, goes all the way through. Yikes, there was Wuhan, haha, and comes out by Shanghai, another very important port. And the fertile soil near both led to ancient civilizations. I know the capital started to move near Beijing. But the idea was you could have ample, good soil or water table in the north to make more wheat and grains. And in the south, closer to the equator, the hotter weather, you can make lots of rice. And you might have also learned today, I'm looking at maps. Oh, never mind, that map is checking out. All right. You probably learned about how there's a steppe right here. So there are barbarian nomads that like to come in and invade every so often from up here. They did become the emperors at one point in history, and that's why the Great Wall was built up here, supposedly to keep them out. Except with the wall, you can just drive around, ride around it and go around it. And then we learned that the very fertile soil is in this area right here. This is mostly a plateau and mountain region down here for your Himalayas, but then plateau area that doesn't have the best farming, but has really good, probably oil deposits. Students took notes and handed that in on Google Classroom, watching the video, and then they did the Newsela. So then when they do want to do the work, I don't know if it's going to look the same for me as it is for them. It isn't. So they would click, and they would click on Turn In, and you can either push Create. If you haven't made it yet, you're going to make a Google Doc, or you can push Turn In, and you already have it. And usually the file is copied for you. You just click on it. But if it doesn't look like it's copying for you, you can always email me or ask me, or you could just push File in the top left and then make a copy for you to use. Then we usually end up with a Newsela. So go back to 346, classwork. Usually end up with a Newsela, and then you would just click on that. And you really have to be particular with reading the directions, because sometimes it's going to say, just read and answer the 4 quiz questions. And sometimes it's going to say, do the 4 quiz questions and do the essay. So you usually click on the article. I don't know why I have pop-ups on mine. And then you read through it, change the reading level up here in this tab. You can change it to make it easier for you, especially if you keep failing or whatever. If I find that you get a 0 or 25 or 50, I usually send it back and say do it again. And you'll see that probably in like a message in your drive somewhere. And then you can click on the activities, and there's usually a quiz that appears right above my head on the screen, but it's not right now. So that's usually what's going to happen each day, a video and then some kind of activity, and then you hand in your Newsela at the end of the class period. No homework, just a Newsela. This is tough, this whole at-home thing, but I'll try to make a video every day, send it out. If and when there are any other weeks, then there will be future assignments as well. I have 2 weeks up in Google Classroom already, so every day is ready to go. All right. Thank you, and good luck. Not sure how to stop the video, so... All right.